Geometry of straight lines, angles formed by a transversal. We are super excited. Today we learn the names of angles that are formed by a transversal and other lines. I'm warming up. Key questions. What is a transversal? What are the positions of the corresponding angles? What are the positions of the alternate angles? And what are the positions of the co-interior angles? What is a transversal? We have two straight lines. A transversal is a line that crosses at least two other lines. Note what forms. 8 angles are formed. What are corresponding angles? There's a relationship between the 4 angles formed by the transversal and the bottom line and the 4 angles formed by the transversal and the top line. Let's check it out. Angles C, B, A, and D are all around a point. So those 4 angles add to 360 degrees. Angle A is corresponding to angle E. So angle A and Zing have got corresponding positions. They're both on the right side of the transversal above the other two lines. Angle B is corresponding to angle F. Check it out. Corresponding positions. Angle D is corresponding to angle H. And angle C is corresponding to angle G. Angle C and angle G are on the left side of the transversal below the other two lines. Do you see it's corresponding or matching positions? So corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal in matching positions. We abbreviate it like this. What are alternate angles? Angles C, B, A, and D form a revolution around this vertex. What is the relation between these 4 angles and the top 4 angles? We've got special names for this. Angle A is alternate to angle G. Angle B is alternate to angle H. So alternate angles lie opposite of the transversal between the other lines. These alternate angles are interior alternate angles. We also get exterior alternate angles. So alternate angles lie opposite the transversal. Note they are not vertically opposite. What are co-interior angles? Look at the word co, both, interior, inside. So angles C, B, A, and D form 360 degrees around that vertex. And angle A is co-interior to angle H. Look, the two angles lie on the same side of the transversal between the other two lines. So angle B is co-interior to angle G. So co-interior angles lie on the same side of the transversal between the other two lines. Let us practice. Identify the name of the pair of angles. Alternate angles. Opposite the transversal between the lines, the other two lines. Corresponding angles, the same position with regard to the transversal and the other two lines. Co-interior, on the same side of the transversal between the other two lines. Very good. There is no relationship between these two angles. They don't share the same transversal. Co-interior angles. Very good. Corresponding angles. Very good. Alternate angles. Beautiful. No relationship. They have to share the same transversal. Be careful here. It's as if the figure is upside down. So angle 68 degrees and angle E degrees will be co-interior angles. They lie on the same side of the transversal between the other two lines. So now we know what a transversal is. We know what the positions of the corresponding angles are. We know what the positions of the alternate angles are. And we know what the positions of the co-interior angles are. Guys, it's extremely important that you know these names and that you can explain to somebody where these angles lie.